Hey there, it's Nick here and welcome to the channel. Today's video focuses on using Excel formulas to perform some basic computations. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below. Also hit on the bell icon to get notified when I post any new content. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for being part of the family. Now let's get to the PC and do some work. So in the previous episode, we learned about the basics of Excel formulas, and so if you've not watched that already, I would entreat you to kindly go back and watch that video, since today's video is a continuation of that particular video. So today we are going to perform some basic or some simple calculations using formulas. And so again, let's head back to our Excel worksheets that we've been using, our workbook. So I have mine opened, and so I'm gonna open it up, and then I'm gonna create a new sheet like this. And as usual, just so that you guys can see, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So what we are going to do is we are going to create 4 columns. The first column is item or the grocery that we bought. So the next column that we want to populate is our price column, and so we're gonna do this. So this is the price per unit, like that. And let's just say, you know, this is in dollars, and just know that you can use whichever currency that you want, okay, but I'm gonna use dollars. And here let's say we want the quantity that we purchased and also the total amounts. So the first item on our list, let's say we purchased some Cheetos chips, and then that was $2.50, for example, and we purchased 6 of those. The next item, let's say, was rice or jasmine rice, and then the price was $9, and we purchased 2 of that. The next item is, let's say, bread, and the price for that was $1.25, for example, and we purchased 5 loaves of bread. Okay, so let me just stop here, and I'm gonna add a new column, a new row called the total money spent, and we're gonna use this pretty shortly. Okay, so we have our list of groceries here. Okay, very simple. We have the first column has our item, the second column has our price per unit, the third has our quantity, the quantity that we purchased, the fourth has the amount. And so I'm just gonna do some simple formatting here. So I'm just gonna select these and then center those, same for the quantity as well, and I'm gonna center these guys as well. So now, how do we use formulas to find out the amounts that we purchased and then also the total amount? So to do this, very simple. Again, you just start with equal sign, and I want to multiply the price per unit or the price per item. And so all I have to do is I'm just gonna select cell B2, and then do my multiplication symbol, or type my multiplication symbol by simply pressing and holding the shift key and then the star or the asterisk key, and then select the quantity that I purchased, so which is cell C2. So what I'm doing is I'm multiplying whatever is in cell B2 to whatever is in cell C2. Okay, and this is for the item Cheetos. And once that is done, I'm just gonna hit enter, and it's gonna show me that this multiplied by this is gonna give me 15. So what I'm gonna do in order to keep all the numbers after the decimal points is to change the price per unit into currency. And so to do that, I'm just gonna highlight everything here, come to the number format, press on the arrow, and then there is currency here, and I'm just gonna press that, and now it's been formatted into currency, and I'm gonna perform the same operation for the amounts too. So come here and then select currency, and I do this just so that if there is any number after the decimal point, or after the point or the decimal place, I still have those numbers there. Okay, and so our next operation is to multiply the price per rice and then the quantity that we bought. So again, we're gonna do the equal sign, do this, our multiplication sign, and then this, and we hit enter. I'm just gonna do that for all of these guys here. Okay, so we've multiplied each of the price per units with a quantity. Okay, very easy operation. So this is how you can use the formulas that we learned to perform some basic operations. And now finally, we want to find out what is the total amount of money that we spent. I'm just going to do the same thing. By first, I want to format this cell into currency just so that I get everything as it is. And I'm just going to do equal to, and then if you want to go the long route, you can just do this plus that plus that plus this plus this and hit enter. Okay, so I'm adding everything that is here and then just hit enter. And so the total amount of money I spent on this particular week is $62.20. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this in a very simplified way. So let's say if you had a lot of items, are you gonna multiply each price per unit and then the quantity? No, there's a very easy way to do this, to automatically do this without computing this one after the other, and I'm gonna show you in the next video, and so don't miss it.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like and share with others. Also, let's get interactive by dropping your comments in the comment box below and following us on both Facebook and Instagram. See you in the next video.